Welcome to the most complete information platform with Stephanie Chaparro, Ángel Quevedo, and Diego Cárdenas. This is Calisthenics ADS.
Howdy, very good. Morning to all of you. This is Calisthenics ADS. Here are today's headlines. International news were talked about calisthenics, a sport that has devoted debate time. In sport, activities of calisthenics will be discussed. 2. Country with some historical facts about the origin of calisthenics. Very good day. Today we will talk about calisthenics and its international relations. Calisthenics description. Every day is more and more common to find in parks and areas where calisthenics are practiced groups of young people and sometimes not so young. Harder to lift their bodies between bands, higher doing pirouettes and figures. Calisthenics is a word that comes from the word kalos, beauty, and stenos, strength. It is a system of the body itself and that relax most room to achieve the beauty of the body and motion. Taking into account its own definition, we can assure that calisthenics is an ancient training formula and we can also imagine ancient warriors preparing for war with push-ups, deaths, or sit-ups. And the trainers were one on by there are different models for sport gymnastics with is the most technical and rigorous to strict workout. A third that different street training practitioner and parts with and hairless bears. It is usually confused with freestyle, which is the method that could be considered as an dynamic movements are combined and which is usually the one that alters the mood young people to these different times match your addicted were calisthenics as its name suggests is to do ban added avals to the weight of the body. Most common exercise of the type of training are push-ups, pull-ups, deads, squats, or crunches. Once these exercises are under control, we move or do twists, jumps, and figures such as to human flag or planks.
Thank you, Stephanie. Then we will continue with the branches of calisthenics. For this, we meet Mr. Steven Barrios, who is a specialist on this subject. Hello, Ángel Quevedo. Thank you for the invitation to your channel. We know that for calisthenics, there are three branches which are basic, static, and dynamic. I could explain each one of them. This is Ángel Quevedo. We are going to start with the first branch, which is the basic one. Those exercises are considered as routine, which are worked with variator which balancing crossing the weight of the person. There are exercises such as elbow bending, ballons, bars, squash, crunches, the above mentioned, and the best known and usually most practiced. It is also worth mentioning each of it are different variations to make the exercise from the most easy to the most complicated possible in order to achieve progressing strength and control of body weight. Static. The static or isometric exercise in calisthenics are those where the athlete remains in the same position during near executions of the element when static exercise. In executed the length of the muscle practically does not vary and we speak of aesthetic muscular. These types of exercise are good for maintaining strength, but not ideal improve strength. Dynamic. Finally, we find the dynamic exercise for calisthenic movements that are incorporate reflexes. They can also be seen in other disciplines, reflected, freestyle, spin, swings, gimbals, or jumps between bars of dynamic exercise. This is rarely technical and dangerous exercise. They require strength, coordination, and concentration. A small mistake can lead to a serious fall and subsequent injury. They very show and spectacular activities. Thank you, Steven Barrios. This information is very important for calisthenic viewers.
Let's go to a short commercial.
You can turn every game, every scrimmage, and every hour of rest into something far greater. This is our lab. It's where we learn everything we know.
Very good morning, and today we will talk about the origin of calisthenics and how it has spread to several countries leaving its mark. Calisthenics historical facts. Calisthenics as the human being is a saint since our ancestors used calisthenics as a way of the life in order to dominate their own body to the maximum and to be able to survive. However, calisthenics as such had its origin in the 4th century, and the first information appears in the chronicles of Herodotus. The famous Spartan army herding its famine had thanks to calisthenics and training with their own body weight. And ready in those times, although they were few in number, they were considered 10 strong, remained on the planet and all thanks to so hard training. Later, this Asian culture used calisthenics to train their warriors and form them. The calisthenics that can transformed into martial arts would emerge later. On Shaolin, monks are an example of this calisthenic exercise to improve their balance and endurance, with the legs strong. In the mid-19th century, this phenomenon began to expand in Europe and the USA. In which the book Psychology and Calisthenics for Schools and Families, written by Catherine Berge. Finally, at the end of the 20th century and beginning of the 19th century, have been light more abundant in previous years. This trend is gaining strong again, and thanks to social networks such as YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Calisthenics is beginning to be seen as training system in a more strict, advanced and or competitive way. Great universal reference of this moment such as have been for King of Frank Medrano. From the USA began to show the benefits of calisthenic training, both physical, aesthetic, and healthy, by uploading to social networks the workout, the physical chunks, etc. And that is when the calisthenics boom started all over the world. In the case of the United States, calisthenics began to promote using the facilities that exist in public parks for exercise. Training groups began to form, such as the Wolf Readers of Western, which were dedicated to encouraging people with a criminal past, as was the case of Hannibal for White King. To rehabilitate the beat training. In America, they used to train by doing sets and repetitions of basic exercises to improve your performance and your success. Meanwhile, in Europe, calisthenics began to spread to countries with gymnastic culture and tradition, such as Ukraine and Russia.